For those in the legal profession, setting up a law firm or legal consultancy in the dynamic city Dubai opens doors to a world of possibilities. Let's see what are the essentials for establishing your legal practice in Dubai. The United Arab Emirates, particularly Dubai, boasts a robust legal framework, making it an attractive destination for starting a law firm. Understanding the legal system is crucial. In Dubai, the legal landscape is characterized by a dual court system comprising civil courts, Sharia courts. Each emirate has its own federal court, ensuring comprehensive coverage of legal matters. Lawyers in Dubai typically specialize in areas such as construction, corporate law, commercial contracts, energy, real estate, and finance. Whether working independently, in partnership, or as part of civil company, Dubai offers ample opportunities for legal practitioners to thrive. So how do you open a law firm in Dubai? You will need to partner with a local lawyer holding at least 51% ownership, or establish your firm in Dubai, free trade zone, or full ownership. Acquiring a law degree and obtaining a license from the Ministry of Justice are essential steps in the process. Lawyers and advocates must register locally with the Ministry of Justice, while obtaining licensing from the Department of Legal Affairs is necessary for providing legal services outside the court. Our expert team will guide you the complexities of regulatory compliance, ensuring a seamless establishment process for your legal practice. Our expertise in local laws and regulations empowers you to focus on building your legal practice with confidence. In conclusion, Dubai's thriving business landscape presents unparalleled opportunities for legal professions. Your vision of establishing a successful law firm in Dubai becomes a reality. Embark your journey to legal excellence in the vibrant city of Dubai. Until next time, may your legal endeavors flourish in the heart of innovation and opportunity. Thank you.